that tonight when I'm going to make juice, this thing will not disturb me anymore, because I don't know what is his problem. His problem is not my problem. My problem is his problem. Have you guys heard English like this before? Your problem is not my problem. My problem is your problem. Oh God, yeah. Okay. This one is nice. Premium contents, everyday activities, each activities that we are doing in this house. Then vlogging, posting everyday activities. How my day is, how our day is, how what we do in the house, where we go, everything, all of them will be out. It will be out. That is just defined. That is what we call premium content. Then when I traveled, I made vlogging for you guys. I made vlogging. Very soon I will start going to all these small trips because you know to really travel, to go and be doing vlogging out there, it required a lot of money. But one of these days I would try to go out there, maybe all these little villages in my state that is not too far from my state. Then I'm going to be doing it to vlog for you guys and all those stuff. I wish that it was the time that I travel a lot then. You guys should have seen a lot of things. Many years ago I traveled a lot, from one train to another, from one flight to another, always on trip. You know, seeing beautiful things. Oh God, but I will restart, I will get back again. Then I will continue. Let me not say anything now. This water is not flowing down anymore. You get to see the doobie, you go woo my baby. You get to see the doobie, you go woo my baby.